What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dallas coming to you again with another YouTube video. This video is a beef and broccoli Instant Pot recipe tutorial, so check it out. If you like it, give it that thumbs up, and also subscribe for more content like this in the future. These are the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe. You're going to take 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of sesame oil and mix those together. Add those into your Instant Pot. Hit the saute button, then hit adjust. Make sure the light is on more. Time is not important. Once your Instant Pot is heated up, then add half a pound of steak. Once that's all in the Instant Pot, give it a light stir. It only takes a few minutes for the meat to brown. In the meantime, chop up 1 small onion. Add half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Add 1/3 cup of soy sauce. 3/4 cup of chicken broth. Stir lightly while the onions are being cooked. Add 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Can someone say steak, baby? Add your broccoli. Alright, this is when the fun begins. Put your lid on and make sure it's on sealing. Hit the manual button, make sure it's on 10 minutes on high pressure. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water, a dash of honey, slap your mama. Mix that all together. Ninja release. Have that kitchen towel ready so you can put it over the nozzle where the steam is coming out. Yee doggy. Add that mixture and it's gonna thicken up the sauce. That's pretty much it, guys. Admire what you've made and make yourself a plate. If you made it this far, you might as well like, subscribe, and comment on the video. And let me know if you like the beef and broccoli. I appreciate you for watching. Peace.